how to use Kodi Diggz Xenon. First, make sure Kodi 21.2 is installed on your device. If not, you need to install Kodi before starting the Diggz Xenon build setup. Open Kodi and go to the settings by clicking the gear icon. In settings, enable unknown sources so you can add third-party repositories and builds. Go back to the main menu, then navigate to the file manager and select add source. Enter the Diggz Xenon repository URL and give it a name like Diggz repo. Return to the main menu, go to add-ons, then click the install from zip file. Select the Diggz repo source you just added, install the Diggz repository zip file from the source. After installation, go to the install from repository, find and select Diggz repository, navigate to program add-ons, and then install the Chief Omega Wizard. Once installed, open the Chief Omega Wizard from program add-ons, then go to the build menu, choose the Diggz Xenon build version you prefer, confirm installation and allow the build to download and install. Kodi may force close automatically. Once done, reopen Kodi and the Diggz Xenon build will load. You may be prompted to apply the Xenon skin, so do so to complete setup. Customize your build as needed, including add-ons and accounts like Real Debrid or Premiumized for enhanced streaming. Enjoy your fully working Diggz Xenon Kodi setup for 2025. Subscribe.